Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you today? I hope you're having a good day. I'm here to do a Dollar Tree review. And this is kind of the kids. I mean, I don't know if they necessarily make them for the kids, the adults. I like doing them. I like buying them. I do them with my grandchildren. I sometimes do them for myself. But these are a few, and I've gotten ones like this before. They're actually big this year, which is kind of cool. I bought them at Christmas, Halloween, fall. Grandkids always like doing these. I always pick them up. I let them pick it out. Matter of fact, Riley picked this one, and Allie picked this one. Sometimes they do them in the markers, or I just let them do them in paint. It's totally up to them. And like they just recently, not too long ago, did some wind chimes. I hope they come out with some fall wind chimes. Wouldn't that be cool? But that's not why we're here. So, well, it is kind of. Those are awesome. I buy them all the time. Fun little activity to do with the kids for $1. Can't go wrong. But one thing that finally came through my store, Elle sent Allie a rock. It was Valentine's Day. She loved it. Matter of fact, she put it away for next Valentine's Day because she wants to do it about that time. But they actually had the DIY box for Thanksgiving. Or not so much Thanksgiving. It just says give thanks, and this one says together or gather. Well, so I wanted to check these out and tell you and see what you guys think and tell you what I think. The kids are going to do these, and then they're going to write a nice little message on the back, and then they're going to leave it somewhere for somebody to find. Nice, sturdy. Get this little brush. I usually give them brushes I have. That's one thing about these little kits. The brushes aren't that good. That's a downer for me. But it does come with the 3 different color paints, whatever they choose. And if they choose other paints off my paint rack, I don't care. But I'm pretty satisfied with that. Plenty of room for them to write a message and decorate and give it away. And I think that'd be kind of cool. That's one of the first projects we're going to do. And then we're going to go take a walk, and we're going to put them in certain spots where people walk past. And I already kind of got a couple spots picked out in my neighborhood where it gets a lot of foot traffic. Let's see if anybody picks them up. So I thought them were good. The newest thing that I've never seen before, and like I said, I buy a lot of kits for the kids, so if they had these out before, I would have probably bought them, but I never have, was these little paint sets with the easel. I thought they were so cool. Dami found me the truck. The girls picked these out. Ellie picked this one and Riley picked this one. They probably won't do these. I'm probably going to do these myself because I want to use them for a decoration piece in my kitchen. I have a glass shelf above my zinc, and I thought they'd look cute sitting up there during the fall season. So I opened the truck, and I'm in here to show you what I think of it. Open it beforehand so you guys couldn't hear that sound of me ripping. I know some people don't like that. So you get the little piece. It is not canvas. I thought it was canvas. It's a chipboard. So I think it'll work. I think it'll be good to paint. You get this brush. Like I said, I never use their brushes. I save their brushes. I give these brushes to Riley, so if she forgets to clean them, it's no big deal. It gets thrown out. And then they have the paint, and they have the little easel, which is kind of cool. So let's see. Nicely sits. That'll look cute. So I think after I get this painted, I don't know if I'll use their paint in this of the colors. I may grab some of my own paint. I would let it dry, and then I would do a finish on top of it so that it won't get ruined and it does come off, because it is just chipboard. So, but for $1, it's an awesome little project. Even if I let the kids do this. Cushion is like red truck, orange, green. I may even do this with alcohol markers. I'm not positive yet. I think it's cool though. Awesome images in these guys. I mean, I can't go wrong for $1. I like the little scarecrow in the barn, little wheel, hello autumn, and then the pumpkin, the sunflowers. So I think there was 2 more images. I'm not positive. I'm kind of kicking myself in the butt now because they are. I like what I thought, like how they are. So if I go back, I'm going to actually take pictures so I don't buy duplicates and maybe pick up the other ones that were there because I'm very happy with how these are. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I thought I'd give you a little review, my point of view. So if you see these at your local Dollar Tree and you want to do something with your kids or your grandkids for $1, good kids here. Rocks are awesome. And so are these. They had a couple more of these too. Cody didn't want one, so the girls took them. But I can't wait to see the Halloween ones. If they come out with Halloween with the little easels, would be cool. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. This was all bought by me, except for this. Diamond bought me that. And I want to thank you guys, as always. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now. Have a good day.